Hello everyone, welcome to another session on Tableau with me Abidinisa Begum for Big Data Learning. Now today what we will do is we'll try to compare Tableau with some other tools, other BI tools. As you all know that BI is business intelligence and here we are talking about data visualization in these BI tools. Okay. So the agenda of today's session will be we're going to see what are the different BI tools, the key differentiators of them, and how is Tableau different from all of them. My name is Abidunisa Begum. I am a data science trainer. I also give training on Azure and AWS. I am also a soft skills trainer. So that's about me. Now coming to Tableau and the BI tools. So today we are going to do the comparative study between these are the leading BI tools these days, that is ClickView, Clipfolio, GeckoBoard, Power BI and Google Data Studio. So what is happening here, for some of them you have to pay, and for some of them, like for some, like in Tableau, if you remember, for Tableau Public is free while you have to pay for other Tableau products. So similarly, there are certain packages in them while some of them are actually free, and there are certain features. So since if it is free, then definitely you will be missing some of the features. So let us see what are they and how does it work. So what are the key differentiators? So we differentiate these tools based upon the following parameters: usability, setup, price, support, maintenance, and self-service features, support of different data types. Now, first of all, let me clear this. Why are we doing this comparison? So that based upon your usage, for what are you using Tableau, and because since you have chosen to, watch this video, that definitely means you want to learn Tableau. So first you need to know, is Tableau useful for you at all? Because there are some others like Power BI, Clipfolio, ClickView. There are many companies who are looking for people who know Power BI, who know ClickView, who know Clipfolio. So when you look at these features of each of them, you will know whether you can use actually Tableau, or is it some other BI tool that you are looking for. Okay. So I hope I am clear till here. So based upon your usability, you can select the setup, the price, if it is, affordable, and then the support, the maintenance required, and what are the self-service features, and what do you say, support of different data types, all of that. So let us just have a look at this table. Now this table tells us tells us about all the different BI tools, and based upon the same parameters, how are they different from each other. So we have ClickView, Clipfolio, Tableau, GeckoBoard, Power BI, and Google Data Studio. So based upon the supported devices, what all the devices do they support? So except for ClickView in Android and Windows Mobile, Power BI in Mac OS, it does not support. So since we are seeing that almost all of the devices they support, there are a few who do not. So let's me just point out those. So ClickView does not support Android and Windows Mobile. Clipfolio does for all. Tableau does for all except for Windows Mobile. GeckoBoard again except for Windows Mobile, and Power BI, you cannot use it in Mac OS. Google Data Studio you can use only web. What does that mean? Only web. So it is only available, on the cloud. There is no, you cannot use it on your system, you cannot use it on your phone. So this is just cloud based Google Data Studio. Then we have the deployment. Again, let us see where you cannot use it. Clipfolio on premise, GeckoBoard on premise, and Google Data Studio you cannot use on premise. Then who are the typical customers mostly who are buying these? Now this is where you can just have a look and you can understand if this is useful for you. What are the typical customers for ClickView? So except for freelancers, all of them are using it. Clipfolio again, but Tableau can be used by everyone: medium, small business, large business, or freelancers. And even the same is the case with GeckoBoard. While Power BI is not useful for freelancers or small businesses, it's useful for medium businesses and large businesses. And then Google Data Studio, again, not useful for freelancers. Then collaborations, public links, it goes for all. Embed views, it's not possible for Gecko board. Now coming to support, do they provide these supports? Phone support, online support, knowledge base, and video tutorials. So ClickView do not have the phone support and the knowledge base. Gecko board does not have a phone support. Power BI does not have a phone support, and Google Data Studio does not have phone support. So see, this data that I am giving you, this is not the most recent one. This is not the most updated one. So day to day, you need to check it every day. So these can be updated. So I'm telling you the knowledge that I have, but you can always search and keep learning. And if I am wrong anywhere, you can just let me know if there are any new updates. If you find this knowledge to be outdated. All right. Now integrations, the language support, and now this is one of the most important part. What is a free? Which one of them provide a free account and which of them provide a paid account? Okay, so ClickView, yes, all of them provide a free account, but there are different packages and different conditions for that. So ClickView, if you're using for a personal use, that is for free. Clipfolio, 2 weeks free trial. Tableau Public is for free, but there is also a 14 days, that is 2 weeks free trial for Tableau Desktop. Gecko Board has a 1 month free trial, and Power BI for desktop, that is free. Now Google Data Studio, it is free. Because it is cloud based, it's completely free. You do not have any other package for that. You don't have to pay for that. Now paid accounts, for all of them, if you are using it for an enterprise or for your business, for your private firm, then all of them you have to pay. Okay, so that is about it. So Clickfolio you need to quote, and sorry, ClickView you have to quote, and Clipfolio, these are the packages: starter, publish, grow, and theme. Then Tableau desktop personal, desktop professional, server, and Tableau online you have to pay. Tableau reader, you just have to view the file, so you don't have to pay for that, and Tableau public is free. Gecko board, you have three packages: start, growth, and for company. And Power BI also you have two packages: pro and premium. Okay, so based upon your how much can you afford, what package can you afford, what type of BI tool that you can afford. So it's not that any of these BI tools are lesser when compared to other. But the only reason, like I said, we are comparing it just for the usage. How is your usage? So how is your business? How much can you afford? What kind of support do you require? And know what kind of devices does it support? So all of these reasons, you can just look at them, these parameters, and based upon that, you can select your BI tool. I hope I am clear till here. Now this one, so if you want to learn Tableau, so what are the features that differentiate Tableau from the other visualization tools or BI tools? Now this Tableau includes word clouds and bubble charts as their visualization. So visualization type, there is also word cloud and bubble chart, and it has the ability to lay out the dashboard in the desired way with any overlaps, so which comes really handy in the screen space ergonomics. Now, robust filters and drill downs are easy to find and use. Yes, operations are well documented and labeled. And even the pickiest users are sure to find a proper solution that will satisfy their most capricious needs. So, these are all the Tableau differentiators. So, to understand this, you must have a hands-on experience of Tableau. So we shall surely shortly start using Tableau, start doing hands-on on that. So thank you very much. Today, let's just do a recap of what we learned today. We learned about the different BI tools and how are they different from each other, and what are the different Tableau differentiators. How is Tableau different from all of them? So I guess that's all about today, and the session was all about different BI tools, comparing Tableau with other BI tools. So thank you very much for being patient. throughout the session. So if you have any doubts and if you have any feedback, do let me know in the comment section. And goodbye till the next session. Happy learning.